Hi, I am Suhan. From today, we are starting a new series called LeetCode Series on YouTube. Yes, we will try to solve all the questions of the LeetCode to help everyone and also to learn new things. We will start with the question TwoSum. In this question, we are given an array of integers called nums and an integer target. We have to return indices of two numbers such that they add up to the target. You may assume that each input will have exactly one solution. It is very important as we have given that the given array will have only two numbers which add up to the target, which can decide our code. Yes. You may not use the same element twice. Example, if we are given an array 4, 5, 6 and we are given a target 8, then we cannot use 4 twice to make up the target. Now, as given in the example, a array is given of 4 elements and the indices 0 and 1, which are 2 and 7, add up to 7. So let's start. We can think this question by approaching the nested loop solution, which will have the big O of what? Now you can think or comment down, but okay, I will now say it. O of big O of n square, which in Python can be denoted like this. Now if you have to solve it in another method so that the time complexity reduces, then we can use a better way by making a dictionary called complement dictionary. Now we can loop through the given array using we can now loop through the arrays called nums. Now we want to check that x in the complement dictionary. If it is in the complement dictionary, then we will return the complement dictionary and the I. Oh sorry, here we have to use enumerate to take two values. Here I is the index and x is the element in the num. Then or else, if it is not in the complement, we will add complement dictionary. We will add here we are searching for the key in the complement dictionary, so we will use the target minus key minus the value of the num and assign it the value of I, as it is the index of it. Then okay, let's run this code and check whether it is right or wrong. Running the code. Oh, what you oh sorry, we forget to use in here. It's a typo. Sorry for the inconvenience. It's my first time, so I got it wrong. Let's be going and the program is running. Okay, runtime 44 millisecond. Nice. Now we will submit it and check the result. Okay, it is 76%. Okay, the runtime is 40 seconds. I think that let's see again. Okay, but the memory usage is 99.1, so it's right, but not that right. What can we improve in it? What can we improve here? We can we can try to avoid enumerate by using I is equal to 0, so that we will not use enumerate. I plus 1. Now let's submit it. Okay, now the runtime is 40 millisecond and it is faster, 97.21% faster. But see here that because we are allocating 0 or creating a new variable, we are increasing the memory usage. So there is a trade-off between runtime and memory usage. So okay, this solution is nice enough. But if you know the big of enumerate, then comment down as. Okay, now we will check the big O of this function. First, for the for loop, the big O of it is, any guesses? No? Okay, the big O of it is O of n, as it will loop n times. And here, for finding an element in a dictionary, the big O of it is always O of 1, as the memory is free or the memory is used everywhere. Okay, then here we are returning the index which we are storing here. Okay, that's it. If you like or have any suggestion, comment down. Okay, thanks for watching, and we will be doing next one tomorrow. So to be tuned in and also share if you like. And sorry, as I am nervous, it's my first video too, then sorry for the inconvenience, but I will improve and try to give my best. Okay, lots of talk. Meet you tomorrow. Bye.